Sunny morning, this is JR Crisostomo, International Property Specialist under RTS team. So i-update ko lang po kayo dito sa aming project here at Sunnyvale 2. This project actually is situated or located here at Barangay Pugo Cecilio, Santa Ignacia, Tarlac. This project actually continuation namin ng Sunnyvale Premier. So update ko po kayo sa current development ngayon kung anong meron dito sa Sunnyvale 2. So right now andito tayo sa main entrance. This is our main gate.